In today's digital landscape, burner credit cards have emerged as a significant tool for consumers seeking enhanced privacy and security in their financial transactions. Essentially, burner credit cards are temporary disposable cards that can be used for online purchases or subscriptions without exposing your primary credit card information. Your primary purpose is to provide a layer of anonymity, allowing users to make transactions without the risk of their personal data being compromised. As online shopping and digital payments become increasingly prevalent, the importance of privacy in these financial interactions cannot be overstated. With data breaches and identity theft on the rise, protecting sensitive information is crucial. Credit cards serve as a safeguard, minimizing the risk of fraud and ensuring that your financial details remain confidential. This innovative solution not only helps in maintaining privacy, but also allows users to manage their spending more effectively. In this context, we will provide a quick start guide to using burner credit cards, outlining the steps to obtain and utilize them effectively. Whether you're looking to make a one-time purchase or want to keep your financial activities discreet, understanding how to leverage burner credit cards can empower you to navigate the digital marketplace with confidence and security. Burner credit cards are temporary, disposable cards designed to enhance privacy and security during online transactions. While the term burner often conjures associations with burner phones used in illegal activities, burner credit cards serve a legitimate purpose in protecting personal information. Unlike traditional credit cards, which are linked to your personal financial accounts and can expose you to risks if compromised, burner credit cards are not tied to your identity. They allow users to make purchases without revealing sensitive data, thus minimizing the chances of fraud and identity theft. In an era where online transactions are ubiquitous, the necessity for privacy has never been more critical. With increasing reports of data breaches and cyber attacks, consumers are rightfully concerned about their financial security. Burner credit cards provide a practical solution, enabling individuals to shop online without the fear of their primary credit card information being stolen or misused. By using these temporary cards, users can maintain a level of anonymity and control over their financial activities. As we navigate the complexities of the digital marketplace, understanding the role of burner credit cards becomes essential for anyone looking to safeguard their personal information while enjoying the convenience of online shopping. Using regular credit and debit cards comes with several vulnerabilities that can compromise personal information. One of the most significant risks arises from data breaches, where hackers infiltrate systems of retailers or financial institutions to access sensitive customer data. When these breaches occur, personal information, including card numbers and billing addresses, can be exposed, leading to potential identity theft and fraudulent transactions. Additionally, linking credit cards to loyalty programs can further exacerbate these vulnerabilities. While these programs offer rewards and discounts, they often require users to provide extensive personal information, which can be stored and potentially accessed by unauthorized parties. This creates a double-edged sword, as consumers may inadvertently expose themselves to greater risks in exchange for perceived benefits. Furthermore, data brokers play a crucial role in tracking consumer behavior, collecting vast amounts of information from various sources, including credit card transactions. These brokers compile detailed profiles that can be sold to marketers or other entities, raising concerns about privacy and the extent to which personal data is monitored and utilized. As consumers increasingly rely on regular credit and debit cards for everyday transactions, understanding these vulnerabilities is essential for making informed decisions about financial security and personal privacy. The historical development of credit cards marks a significant transition from cash transactions to a more complex financial landscape. Initially, cash was the primary medium for purchases, but the introduction of credit cards in the mid-20th century revolutionized consumer spending. This shift allowed individuals to make purchases on credit, enhancing convenience and enabling larger transactions without immediate cash availability. However, as credit card usage grew, so did the handling of consumer data. Over the years, financial institutions and retailers began collecting extensive information about consumer spending habits, preferences, and personal details, leading to a more intricate web of data management. This evolution has raised concerns about consumer privacy, as the accumulation of data has made individuals more vulnerable to breaches and misuse. The rise of surveillance capitalism further complicates this issue as companies leverage consumer data for profit, often without explicit consent. This phenomenon involves tracking and analyzing consumer behavior to predict future actions, effectively commodifying personal information. Now, as credit cards became ubiquitous, the implications for consumer privacy became increasingly pronounced, highlighting the need for individuals to be aware of how their data is collected, used, and potentially exploited in a world where financial transactions are deeply intertwined with digital surveillance. Burner credit cards function as intermediaries in financial transactions, providing users with a layer of privacy that traditional credit cards cannot offer. When a burner card is used for a purchase, it generates a unique card number that is linked to a specific transaction or merchant, ensuring that the user's actual credit card information remains concealed. This mechanism significantly reduces the risk of fraud and identity theft, as the temporary nature of these cards means they can be easily discarded after use. Apps like Mysudo and privacy.com enhance this functionality by allowing users to create and manage multiple burner cards effortlessly. Mysudo enables users to generate disposable cards for various purposes, while privacy.com offers features like spending limits and merchant-specific cards, further protecting personal information. However, traditional credit card companies face limitations in tracking burner card usage. Since these cards are designed to be temporary and often do not require personal identification, credit card companies cannot easily link transactions back to the user. This lack of traceability is a double-edged sword. While it enhances privacy for consumers, it also poses challenges for financial institutions in monitoring spending patterns and preventing fraud. Ultimately, burner credit cards represent a crucial innovation in safeguarding consumer privacy in an increasingly digital world. When comparing two popular burner credit card services, Mysudo and privacy.com, it's essential to examine their features, pricing, and overall advantages and disadvantages. Mysudo offers users the ability to create multiple disposable cards, linked to various online accounts, providing a high level of anonymity. The app allows for customizable spending limits and the option to generate virtual phone numbers and email addresses, enhancing privacy across multiple platforms. Pricing for Mysudo includes a free tier with limited features and a premium subscription for more extensive capabilities. On the other hand, privacy.com focuses primarily on virtual cards for online transactions, allowing users to create single-use or merchant-specific cards. This service is free to use, but users must link their bank accounts to fund the virtual cards, which may deter some individuals concerned about sharing their banking information. The advantages of Mysudo lie in its comprehensive privacy features, while its complexity may be a drawback for users seeking simplicity. Privacy.com is user-friendly and cost-effective, but may lack some of the extensive privacy tools offered by Mysudo. Ultimately, choosing the right service depends on individual needs, such as the desired level of anonymity, ease of use, and specific features that align with personal privacy goals. The use of burner credit cards, like burner credit cards, carries broader implications for consumers navigating the digital landscape, particularly in combating surveillance capitalism. As companies increasingly track and monetize personal data, burner credit cards serve as a vital defense mechanism, allowing users to make transactions without revealing their primary financial information. By utilizing these tools, individuals can reclaim a degree of control over their personal data, reducing the risk of exploitation by corporations that profit from consumer behavior insights. It is crucial for consumers to consider their privacy in digital transactions, as the convenience of online shopping often comes at the cost of personal information exposure. By adopting privacy tools, users can protect themselves from unwanted surveillance and data breaches. In addition to burner credit cards, several other privacy tools can complement their use. Virtual private networks, VPNs, can help secure internet connections and mask users' IP addresses, while encrypted messaging apps enhance communication privacy. Password managers can also safeguard sensitive information by generating and storing complex passwords. Together, these tools create a robust privacy framework, empowering individuals to navigate the digital world with greater confidence and security, ultimately fostering a culture that values and prioritizes personal privacy in an increasingly interconnected society. Upcoming events related to privacy and business reform present valuable opportunities for individuals to engage with critical issues affecting personal data protection. One notable initiative is the Brush Fires of Freedom Tour, which aims to raise awareness about privacy rights and the importance of safeguarding personal information in an increasingly digital world. This tour features discussions and workshops that highlight the significance of individual freedoms and the need for reform in how businesses handle consumer data. Additionally, events like DragonCon offer a platform for thought leaders and privacy advocates to share insights on the intersection of technology, privacy, and society. Speaking engagements at such conventions often feature panels that delve into the latest trends in privacy legislation, data protection strategies, and the implications of surveillance capitalism. These gatherings not only provide a space for learning, but also foster community engagement among those passionate about privacy issues. We encourage viewers to participate in these events as they offer a chance to connect with experts, ask questions, and gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and solutions surrounding privacy in the digital age. By staying informed and involved, individuals can contribute to the ongoing dialogue about privacy rights and advocate for meaningful business reform that prioritizes consumer protection. In summary, burner credit cards play a crucial role in protecting privacy in today's digital landscape. By acting as temporary disposable payment methods, they allow users to make transactions without exposing their primary financial information, significantly reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. As we've discussed, the rise of surveillance capitalism and the increasing collection of personal data make it essential for consumers to take proactive steps in safeguarding their privacy. Utilizing tools like burner credit cards is just one way to reclaim control over personal information in an era where data breaches are all too common. We encourage viewers to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on privacy and technology, as staying informed is vital in navigating these complex issues. Your engagement is important to us, and we invite you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. Have you used burner credit cards, or do you have other privacy tools that you find effective? Your insights can help foster a community of awareness and support around privacy issues. Together, we can explore the evolving landscape of technology and advocate for stronger protections for our personal data. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing from you.